night we were just like,
Woo! Here we go. What do we have here?
Kathy.
And
Brooke.
what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers.
Yep.
Whose idea was this?
Well, it's for her 18th birthday.
Celebrating the baby bird, pushing her out of the nest.
Yes.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
That's totally worth it.
Yeah.
Trust me to throw you out?
Yes.
You trust the mustache to
Do
throw
you
you
trust
out?
me not to throw up on you?
I don't know yet. For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. Wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun.
All right.
High five, baby. Here we go.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Woo! Here we go, ladies. You ready to get in this thing? Get up, rock and skydive, have fun. Yes. Both great. Happy birthday. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! Woo! Slow it down, Bill. Slow down. You got a good grip, right? Yeah. Ah, you're fine! Woo! Pull hard, pull hard. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Left turn, left turn, left turn. Bring it all the way around. Yep. All right, you did it. You just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Great.
What was your favorite part?
The jump.
You like the jump, right? You like that free fall?
Yeah.
That was sick. You did so good. How was your jump?
So good. Did
So
you keep
good.
your eyes open?
Oh yeah. Did you?
Yeah. Well, at first I closed them. I'm like, open your eyes.
I closed my eyes too.
Do you really?
Really?
You did
Oh,
so
really?
good. Thank you so much for jumping with us in Colorado Springs. Woo!